Picture this. You're ready to stroll through the park, maybe even dance at your grandkid's wedding, but your legs, they're staging a protest, tingling, aching, or just plain stubborn. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone, and here's the kicker. Your kitchen might hold a secret to happier, stronger legs. Stick with me because I'm sharing 9 incredible drinks that can help repair nerve damage and get your legs moving like they used to. Trust me, you'll want to grab a mug for this one. If you're over 60, leg pain, numbness, or weakness can make even simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs feel like a chore. Nerve damage from diabetes, poor circulation, or just years of wear and tear can slow you down. But here's the good news. Alongside medical care, simple drinks packed with nutrients can support nerve repair, boost circulation, and keep your legs strong. These aren't fancy potions, just everyday beverages with science-backed benefits. Let's dive into 9 drinks that could help you walk with more ease and confidence. Oh, and if you love tips like these, hit that subscribe button. It'd mean the world to our little health community. First up, green tea. It's like a superhero for your nerves. Loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants, it fights inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major culprits behind nerve damage. A 2019 study from Harvard showed that drinking 2 to 3 cups daily improves blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your legs for faster nerve repair. Brew it fresh, skip the bottled stuff, and steep for 2 to 3 minutes with a splash of lemon. It's a simple habit to keep your legs feeling lighter. Ever heard of turmeric golden milk? It's a cozy golden hug in a mug. Curcumin, its star ingredient, reduces swelling and protects nerves. A 2021 Mayo Clinic study found curcumin boosts nerve regeneration and eases pain. Mix turmeric with warm plant-based milk, a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and a dash of cinnamon. Sip it before bed to relax and let your legs repair overnight. Pro tip, it's like a lullaby for cranky nerves. Beetroot juice is a game changer. Its nitrates turn into nitric oxide, widening blood vessels for better circulation. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed it reduces leg cramps and stiffness by delivering more oxygen to muscles and nerves. Blend fresh beets with apple or lemon for a tastier sip. A small glass daily can keep your legs energized and ready to move. I remember my aunt at 68 struggling with leg tingling that kept her up at night. She started adding a blueberry smoothie to her mornings, and within weeks, she was back to her garden walks smiling ear to ear. Which brings us to, blueberries are tiny but mighty. Their anthocyanins fight inflammation and improve blood flow. Per a 2022 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study, blend them with spinach, chia seeds, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed breakfast. It's delicious and helps your legs stay strong and steady. Chamomile tea isn't just for winding down. Its apigenin calms nerves and reduces inflammation, helping ease nighttime leg cramps. A 2018 study from the National Institutes of Health linked better sleep to faster nerve repair. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes and sip 30 minutes before bed. Your legs will thank you. Bone broth. Rich in collagen, it rebuilds nerve coatings and supports muscle repair, per a 2023 nutrient study. Sip it warm or in soups. Ginger tea. Gingerol boosts circulation and soothes nerve pain. Steep fresh ginger with honey for a zesty kick. Dark chocolate cocoa. Flavonoids improve blood flow, reducing numbness, says a 2021 circulation study. Use unsweetened cocoa with milk. Almond milk. Packed with vitamin E and magnesium, it protects nerves and eases cramps. Choose unsweetened and enjoy daily. These 9 drinks are like little helpers for your legs, reducing pain and boosting strength naturally. Start with 1. Make it a habit, and watch your mobility improve. Your legs deserve to carry you through life with confidence. Drop a comment with your favorite drink, or any leg health tips you've tried. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.